Necessary ingredients: rice, something I found from the grandma's basement, some delicious dill I stole, eggs, because rice, sausage, and some random ass spices. These steps to make this dish are really easy, and this is a great cheap dish for a student. When the water is boiling, add the rice. After this, cut up the sausage and place it onto the pan to cook. And please do not cut the sausage like it's shown in this video. I was trying to film and cut the sausage. It worked out, but after this, add the rice to the pan. We smash it down flat so it evenly cooks and it's not just a mountain onto the pan. After this, we cook it for a while until it's brownish, and then we add the eggs. You need to mix the egg inside of the rice so it cooks properly and it's an even mass. After cooking it, you can add the spices after it all looks golden and almost the same color. I personally added salt, dill, and some chili powder. After all of that, mix it well in, turn off the heat, wait a few minutes, and your food will be ready. Always remember to wash your hands before making and eating food. The end result of the dish. Sub to Richie Boy.